So hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sequence and series. There are basically three types of series: AP, GP, and HP. Any other type of series can be created with the help of these three series. First, we'll learn about AP. Then we will gradually progress to HP. First of all, GP, then HP. Okay, so let's get. So today we are going to talk about sequence and series, and the first sequence we're going to start with is in AP. So what's an AP? Let's take a sequence, for example, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 till the number, let's say, n terms. This represents that there are many numbers in between them. Okay, so the number 2 is greater than 1 by 1, 3 is greater than 2 by 1, 4 is greater than 3 by 1, and it goes on. And this is actually 6, my mistake. This goes on and on and on and on and on. So an AP is basically a sequence in which you can define a term as additive of the first term. The difference between any two terms is a fixed factor, because you see, the difference between 3 and 2 is equal to the difference between 2 and 1, and it is constant forever. So let's give you an example of another AP so that you don't get confused. 1 3 5 7 9. In this, the difference is of 2, and it is not necessary that you start in AP or any sequence for that purpose with 1. It could have been 9, 11, then 13, then 14, and just it will go on forever or till the time we want. The difference is 2 again, but it starts with a 9. So let's generalize in AP. The first term is called A. The difference between the two terms is called D. And a general term, sorry for the blur, the general term is called AR. Now, a general term AR is defined as A plus R minus 1 into D. Please listen, understand this formula. Now, how to find a general term? Well, A is the first term of an AP. This, by the way, 3 dashes is a symbol of equivalence. It doesn't mean it is equal to, but it says that it is equivalent to the first term. And D is equivalent to the common difference. Since the difference between the two terms, any two terms, is always the same, it is said to be the common difference. The difference which is common. See? 2, 2, 2, 2. So let's take this AP. The first term is A is 1. So we will write A is equal to 1. And the difference is 2. So we will write D is equal to 2. Then we will write a general term. Let's say we want to find the sixth term. Then A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into 2. And if you want to know how did we write this equation, then just refer this formula. AR is equal to AR is equal to R minus 1 into D. So coming back to here, we'll write actually A is equal to 1. So 1 plus 5 into 2, which is equal to 1 plus 10. It is equal to 11. And if you go back to the series, the sixth term, actually we haven't written the sixth term, but it would have been 11, because now the difference between 9 and 11 is also 2. So this is an AP. We'll come back later on to understand what a GP is.